Hey guys, welcome to my channel Creative Corner by Varsha. In today's video, we will learn how to lay out your quote or sentence. So first I'm writing a quote and then I will teach you how to do this. As a beginner, I would suggest you not to write the complete sentence or quote in calligraphy. Like you can see here, no and can last is in my normal handwriting and the other two words are in calligraphy. You can add some doodles or shapes wherever you want. Now the first quote I'm writing is, do what you love. First I will decide the layout. So I'm writing do, then what you, and then love. So I will complete this in 3 lines. And my second layout, do what you in 1 line and love in 2nd line. I will highlight the word love. I am writing do in calligraphy. Then what you in my normal handwriting. And then love in calligraphy. This is my advice for beginners to write like this so it won't look messy. Now I will focus on my word love, so I am writing do what you in my normal handwriting. Now I will add a banner. Now for the third way, I am adding flourishing. When you become a pro in calligraphy, you can try this. Now the second one is never say never. I will write this one also in 3 different styles.